Greeting one and all present here. I am Rakesh from 8th standard. I am extremely privileged to have this opportunity to address you all at the Hot Day program. Talent can be taught, but it can be awakened. Our students are waiting eagerly to present their speech and stories. So, without delay, let's start our program. First, I would like to call Kevin from first standard to present speech.
My name is Kevin. I am studying the first standard. Good afternoon, everyone. What is the most important part of our body? World Art Day is celebrated every year on 29 September. It was created by World Art Federation to avoid heart diseases. We should follow stop smoking, stop alcohol, healthy diet, and physical exercise. It's perfect day. Stop smoking, stop alcohol, healthy eating, and start exercising. Healthy heart is good for you. Thank you.
Thank you, Kevin, for your enlightened performance. Now, I would like to call Haristi from first standard to present speech.
My name is Haristi. I'm studying first standard. What are they? What are they is celebrated every year on September 29. It was created by the Federation. It is threat awareness about the prevention of heart disease among the people. This is perfect day to fight smoking, start exercising, eating. Thank you.
Thank you, Haristi, for your amazing performance. Now, I would like to call Rakesh from first standard to deliver his English speech.
My name is Shia Rakesh. I am studying first standard. இதயத்தின் சீர்வுகள். இதயம் இடது பக்கம் உள்ளது. வலது பக்கம் வலது அறையில் உள்ளது. இதயத்தின் வலது அறையில் அசுத்த ரத்தம் உள்ளது. இடது பக்கம் சுத்தமான ரத்தம் உள்ளது. இதயத்தின் ஒரு நாளைக்கு 1,00,000 முறை துடிக்கும். இதயம் 72 முறை துடிக்கும். இதயம் சுமார் 1/2 கிலோ எடை கொண்டது. இதயம் ரத்தத்தை நாளங்களில் வழிய அனுப்புகிறது.
Okay, thank you, Rakesh, for your delightful performance. Now, I would like to call Toshika from first standard to present speech.
Good morning. I am Toshika. I am studying in first standard, telling about our heart. Today, World Earth Day. World Earth Day is celebrated on September 29.
Thank you, Toshika, for your fantastic performance. Now, I would like to call S. Priyadarshini from first standard to deliver his speech.
I am studying first standard. Hello, today's subject from September 29. He's acting daily yoga, exercise, spend time and friends. What? That's fine, thank you.
Thank you, Priyadarshini, for your fantastic performance. Next, I would like to call R. Guru Prasad from first standard to deliver healthy foods. Some network issue for Guru Prasad. Next, I would like to call C. Bhunesh Kumar, second standard.
I am studying best standard. Attitude. There is
Start video.
good morning. My name is Harguru Prasad. I am studying best standard. Attitude. There is auroras, walnut, with dark chocolate, tomato, almond, with all grease. Thank you.
Thank you, Guru Prasad, for your wonderful performance. Next, I would like to call Hajira Banu from first standard to present healthy food.
Good morning. My name is Ajra Banu. First standard. Namidai Jaitatum Unodal. Tatali. Poonde. Olive oil. Dark chocolate. Tadu. Madulai Palam. Situpu Jachrai. Badam. Walnut. Needle. Strawberry. Thank you.
Thank you, Hajira Banu, your delightful performance. Next, I would like to call C. Bhunesh Kumar from second standard to present speech.
I am Bhunesh Kumar. I am studying in second standard. செப்டம்பர் 29 இன்று உலக இதய தினம். மனித உடலில் இதயம்தான் மிகவும் முக்கியமான ஒரு உறுப்பு. இதயம் அசுர ரத்தத்தை சுத்தப்படுத்துகிறது. இதயம் அனைத்து பாகங்களுக்கும் இரத்த நாளங்கள் வழியாக இரத்தத்தை அனுப்புகிறது. மனிதன் இதயத்தின் எடை 1/2 கிலோகிராமிற்கு குறைவாக இருக்கும். மனித இதய துடிப்பு ஒரு நாளைக்கு 1,00,000 தடவை துடிக்கும். பெண்களை இதய துடிப்பு ஆண்களை விட அதிகமாக இருக்கும். கருவில் உருவாகும் முதல் உறுப்பு இதயமே ஆகும். தேங்க்யூ.
Thank you, Bhunesh Kumar, for your glorious performance. Next, I would like to call Yes, Madhumita from second standard to present speech.
I am Adhimita, second standard, wholehearted. The heart is muscular organ. It is about the size of a fish, and it is split between 300 to 460 grams. The heart is a vital organs. The good heartbeat ratio is 72/4 minutes. Thank you.
Thank you, Madhumita, for your wonderful performance. Next, I would like to call yes, Ritika from third standard to present speech. Some network issue for Ritika. Next, I would like to call Sandosh from third standard to deliver his speech.
Yeah. Vanakkam. Yes, Ritika. Third standard, Ramakrishna School. Ramakrishna School. இதயம் பயன்கள் இதயம் 4 விதத்தில் பிரிக்கப்பட்டுள்ள 2 ஏடிஎம் 2 வெர்டிகள் 1 நிமிடத்துக்கு 72 நிமிடம் துடிக்கும் தலையில் கூம்பு வடிவம் கொண்டது.
Thank you, Ritika, for your wonderful performance. Next, I would like to call Sandosh from third standard to present speech. Some network issue for Sandosh. Next, I would like to call Sandeep Roshan from fourth standard to present speech. Some network issue for Sandeep Roshan. Next, I would like to call Kamesh from fourth standard to present speech.
Good morning to all. My name is
நெஞ்சில் இல்ல
Taresh.
நெஞ்சில் இல்லடா
Next, I would like to call yes, Vishwa from fifth standard to present speech.
Brother.
சொல்லு
Brother.
Good afternoon to all. Heart Day. International Heart Day is celebrated on September 29 each year. It was created by the World Heart Federation. World Heart Day was observed for the first time in 2000. It is a part of an international campaign to spread awareness about heart diseases. World Heart Day is a perfect platform for the battle against cardiovascular diseases. On the World Day some organization held of science fairs, exhibitions, fitness sessions, public talk on. We have only one heart, so by make our life simple and smooth without stress by maintaining a healthy heart. Finally, to avoid heart diseases, everyone follow a healthy heart, stop smoking, quit alcohol, and physical exercise are necessary steps to save your heart. Thank you to all.
Thank you, Vishwa, for your fantastic performance. Next, I would like to call R. Roshan from 5th standard to present speech.
Namaste to all. Function of the earth. The human heart is an organ that pumps blood throughout the body via the circulatory system, supplying oxygen and nutrients to the tissues and removing carbon dioxide and other waste. Thank you.
Thank you, Roshan, for your amazing performance. Next, I would like to call G.V. Prakash from 5th standard to tell poetry.
கவிதை. நாம் உறங்கும் பொழுது நம் இதயம் நமக்காக துடித்துக் கொண்டிருக்கும். இதயம் எத்தனை முறை காயப்பட்டாலும் மனதுக்கு பிடித்தவரை மறக்காது காரணம் இதயத்துக்கு நடிக்க தெரியாது, துடிக்க மட்டுமே தெரியும். நன்றி.
Thank you, G.V. Prakash, for your wonderful performance. Next, I would like to call R. Mitra from 4th standard to present speech.
Good afternoon to all. My name is R. Mitra. I am studying in 4th standard. Happy Heart Day function. Best heart friendly food to eat. Lot of fruits and vegetables, land meats, skinless poultry, nuts, beans and legumes, fish, whole grains, plant-based oil such as olive oil, low-fat dairy products. Thank you to all.
Thank you, Mitra, for your enlightened performance. Next, I would like to call Pritika from 4th standard to present speech. Next, I would like to call S. Taresh from 4th standard to present speech. some network issue for Therese. Next, I would like to call T. Kamesh from 4th standard to present speech.
All of you, namaste. My name is T. Kamesh. Function of the cardiac visuals circulate oxygen and remove carbon dioxide. Provide cell with nutrient. Provide the body against disease and infection. Cloth stop bleeding after injury. Thank you.
Thank you, Kamesh, for your enlightened performance. இந்த இதய தினத்தன்று நான் ஒரு கவிதையை கூறி விடைபெறுகிறேன். அருகில் இருப்பதால் அன்று அன்பு அதிகரிப்பதும் இல்லை, தூரமாய் இருப்பதால் உண்மையான அன்பு குறைந்து போவதும் இல்லை. அன்பை தீர்மானிப்பது இடங்கள் அல்ல, இதயங்களில் உள்ள நம் எண்ணங்கள். நன்றி. Thank you to all the viewers to spend your time with us and keep support us, and all enjoyed and learned many information. Thank you all. Stay home, stay safe.